Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, we will see how to create database and manage in Xampp PHPMyAdmin. Now let's open Xampp control panel. Now start the Apache and MySQL server. When you click admin panel, in the MySQL, the database opens in the browser directly, or open the browser and enter the URL. localhost/phpMyAdmin. So you will get this Xampp PHPMyAdmin. As you can see, all these are the databases for different projects. Let's see how we can create a new database. Click on New here. As you can see here, it says create database. Enter the name which you want to create the database and click on create button. I have already created as test1. Now let's see how to create a table in a database. Click on the table name. Let's say users. And enter the number of columns and click on go. As you can see, you will get these options like this to create a table in a database. Let's keep it as ID. Type int. And let's make this ID as a primary key. To do a primary key, click on the AI comments checkbox. As you can see, you will get this primary. Let's say we can keep this as a first name and we can select a data type here as a varchar and give the length. Like we can mention 500. Last name varchar 500. Let's say we can keep this as message varchar. Keep this length as 500 and click on save. As you can see, under the test database, we have successfully created a table called users. When you click on the users, you will get this browser tab where you can see all the column names here. And if you want to check the structure, click on the structure tab where we can view all the column names with the respective data types. If you want to insert a few data manually, let's go to insert. Click on the first name, for example, ABC. Last name, press D, or we can keep this as first name, message, and click on go. When you click on the browser tab, as you can see, we have successfully added our data under the user table. So now let's see what this SQL tab works. Here you can query all the respective data from this respective table called users table. Let's check. So let's start from users, semicolon, and click on go. As you can see, you can query the data and you will get this result table. You can also export the respective user tables in the format called SQL, PDF. You can also export this table in PDF format, SQL format, XML format, CSV format, in a JSON format. And if you have any other SQL files which has tables or the databases in it, you can also import it. You can choose a file here and you can import the SQL file and click on the go button where all the tables, respective tables will be imported successfully here, and it will list out here under the test1 table. Under the privileges tab, you can also add a user account here. And when it comes to operations for this respective user tables, if you want to truncate, means if you want to delete all the data or the rows to this respective user table, you can also truncate the table. When you click on the truncate button and click on the OK, and when let's see what happens in a browser tab, as you can see, all the datas are truncated, like all the datas in the respective user tables have deleted. If you want to delete a respective table or drop the table, you can also select this delete the table or drop the table. So the respective user tables will be deleted, and under the test1, after this operation, under the test1 databases, there will be no longer users table, like as you have dropped it. And when comes to browser, let's do the operations and drop the table. Click on the OK button. As you can see, there are no tables under the test1 database. So that's it. This is the complete overview of how to create and manage the database in a Xampp PHPMyAdmin. If you found this tutorial useful, please do subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out any of the future videos. Thank you.